Hello everyone, this is Visual Skill YouTube channel and I am Sher Muhammad Muhammadi. In this easy and very simple After Effects tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful rain on a glass. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Let's go to make a beautiful rain effect on a glass. Hello everyone, this is Visual Skill YouTube channel and I am Sher Muhammad Muhammadi. First of all, we're going to import our video. For that, I'm going to double click on this place, select this video and import, or instead of that, go to the file menu, import, and I'm going to select file. The shortcut for that is Ctrl+I, and I'm going to select file. And now the import window is open, and now I'm going to select my video and I'm going to import. You can use a picture instead of that. If you want this video, I'm gonna leave link of this video in the description below. You can find it in Mixkit site. I'm going to make a composition from this video. For that, I'm going to drag and drop it in the timeline like this, or I can drag my video in this composition icon, both of same. And now I'm going to play my video and I'm going to the right side in the preview panel, play my video. This is my video. The length of my video is too long and I'm going to make it 10 seconds, and now it is 50 seconds. For that, I'm going to the composition menu, composition settings. The shortcut for that is Ctrl+K. Like you see, the duration my video is 50 seconds and I'm going to make it 10 seconds. I'm gonna hit the OK button and I'm gonna play my video. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate my video. For that reason, I'm going to the edit menu, duplicate. The shortcut for that is Ctrl+D. Now I'm going to the effect and preset panel. I'm going to search CC Mr. Mercury effect. Mercury, here it is. Now I'm going to drag and drop on my top video like this. This is my top video that I applied the CC Mercury effect on it. You see, this is the video. And now I'm going to change the radius X to 100. Just type 100 and hit the enter, and make a radius Y 100 and hit the enter button. And velocity, make it 0.5 and hit the enter button. Longevity is 2 seconds. I'm going to make it to 1. And gravity is 1. I'm gonna make it 0.5. And extra is 1. I'm gonna make it 0.5. And blob birth size is 15, that's okay, and blob depth size is 0.75. I'm gonna make it 30, 0.30. And influence map is blob in and out. I'm gonna make it constant blobs because I want constant blob. I'm gonna play my video. For that, you can press space from your keyboard, or you can press 0 from your keyboard. And now I'm going to the shading. In the shading, we change the diffuse from 25 to 50. Okay, that's good. And now I'm gonna apply the blur effect to my both videos. For that, I'm gonna go to the effect menu, blur and sharpen, and fast box blur. Now I'm going to the start of my video. I'm gonna make a keyframe for blur radius, and I'm going to the 2 seconds and make it 3. And now I'm going to play my video. You see raindrops are sharpened after 2 seconds. It's blurry. I'm going to apply the blur effect to my second video. For that I'm going to go to the effect menu, blur and sharpen, and fast box blur. I'm going to the start of my video, make a keyframe for blur radius, make it 10, hit the enter button, go to the 2 seconds, make blur radius from 10 to 0 because I want to remove blur radius after 2 seconds. Now I'm gonna play my video. That's beautiful. Okay guys, that was for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and you liked this video and learned something new. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Have a good time.